Today we're going to talk about a cookie mold that belonged to a man named Christopher Ludwick. A cookie mold is a block of wood with a design carved into it that you use to impress designs onto gingerbread or soft cookies. Ludwig was a German-American who was in charge of baking for the Continental Army, but he used the mold that's in our collection to create decorative cookies for sale to civilians. This is a cast resin replica, so we can actually use it to make replica cookies. For the activity we're doing, you can use a cookie mold just like the ones you can still buy today with different designs on them, and a sort of soft clay, Model Magic, that doesn't even need to be baked. This isn't going to be an edible activity, it's just going to allow you to create something that you could use as a decoration or an ornament. Take this ball of soft clay, you press it into the mold you're using, or you can use the mold to kind of squish it into the table. When it comes out, it's going to have that cool decoration on it. And the great thing is you can actually color it in if you want. You can really just customize your Christopher Ludwig inspired non-edible cookie ornament.